Want drivable cars in your Roblox game? Let's add a full vehicle system in under 90 seconds. Step 1. Go to the toolbox in Roblox Studio. Search for A Chases, Simple Car or Vehicle Kit. Choose a model with working wheels and controls. Step 2. Insert the vehicle into your workspace. Make sure the primary part is set, usually the car body. Group the parts if they aren't already in a model. Step 3. Add a vehicle seat inside the car. This controls player input like driving and steering. You can find it in the Model tab, and then Vehicle section. Step 4. Tweak the vehicle seat properties. Set max speed, steer speed, and torque. You can also script gas, sounds, and lights. Step 5. Test it. Hit play, hop in the seat, and drive. Optional, use a free vehicle system kit from creators like Gamster3A or A-Chases for realistic cars. That's it. Your Roblox game now has working vehicles. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.